Hi friends, this is Digital Voice Recorder model number V39 unboxing and setup video. This is obtained from AliExpress or Amazon, widely available if we specifically look for it. Here is the user manual, a thank you note, and the voice recorder itself. And there is a headset and also the USB cable. Let's unwrap the voice recorder. There are a few buttons on the sides, and that's the microphone. It's very thin. Let's put the memory card. It takes SD card, SDXC in microform. Turned it on. So the initial window shows various menu options like card, catalog, recording, system settings, playback, and we can navigate the menu using the side buttons on the left side. Here is for the increasing or decreasing the volume. And on the side there are buttons to start the recording. The very first button on the top, and there is a power button just below that. It can take both internal as well as external recording. And headset, there is a line-in option as well. These are the different recording settings. And we can either turn off without any grading, or grade 1 to grade 6. We can choose any of them. And whether we need light to be on or off can be set here. Monitor can be on or off, and the recording duration can be set here like 30, 60, 90 and 120 minutes. Here the start time, end time, the time from the recording can be set. Here the date and time, shutdown, language, password reset can be done. And the information is available as the last menu option here. The brightness, the backlight and other settings can be set here. Whether we need a timed shutdown or the normal shutdown. These are the language options. And that's for the password reset. Whether we need a format to be done to the card as the initial setup, that can be done here. Thank you for watching. Bye.